Every day, there are parts that no one comes for. This is Ava, a steering rack for 860,000 Chryslers and Dodges. No one else makes her. This is Duke, one cooler for 648,000 Ford trucks, and almost no one offers it. Together, more than 1.5 million customers could be searching and finding nothing. We have tried everything to reach you. So now, we are simply asking for the cost of one email. One email. That is the whole rescue. Send it to orders@plews.com before your competition does.